Welcome to the 2019-20 Bartow High IB Summerlin Academy Open House. We're so glad you're here tonight. We are standing here as we're taping our video in front of our brand new building. We are so proud of it, and we hope that you will take the opportunity while you're on campus to tour the building. Just to give you a few instructions, you will be starting with your child's first period class. You will enter that class. There will be a few housekeeping items that will be taken care of, and then you'll be able to walk through the rest of your child's schedule. I do want to talk with you about a couple of important committees and encourage you to become a part of them. One of them is our SAC committee, otherwise known as the School Advisory Council. The other is our BEST committee, who has been an academic support group for all three schools for some time. Our SAC and BEST do support Bartow High, IB, and Summerlin Academy. We encourage you to get involved in those two groups. Now, I would like to introduce you to Brian Andrews, our IB principal.
Thank you, Ms. Clemens. Good evening. It's great to be at the Home of Champions. I've been here a couple of months and I couldn't be happier to be a part of this great place. For tonight, a couple of volunteer opportunities would be the Athletic Booster Club, which has really had a surge in involvement this year, particularly with our addition of Coach Tate and with the football team. So please be a part of that if your child is involved in any sports after school. And also Friends of IB, that's one that's solely for the IB parents. There has been a surge in participation in that, so please join that and be a part of what's happening. I'm also going to have a IB council with the seniors, and I have a great turnout for that as well, to hear what the kids have to say about the program, where we go from here, and it's been real exciting. So once again, please enjoy tonight with taking your kid's schedule and walking with them. It's always a good experience for you to get the feel of how they spend their day, and don't be late for the bus afterward. And I'm going to pass it over to Dr. Downing, our Commandant for Summerlin Academy.
Good evening and welcome. I do want to mention two organizations that will be here this evening. The Parent Teacher Student Association, they will be here, and we're hoping that you all will stop by and visit them. They do support all three schools, and they're a great organization, and they are looking for volunteers. I would also like to mention the Captain's Council, which is a parent association for Summerlin Academy. If your child attends Summerlin Academy, we would love for you to come by, talk with those representatives there, and also join. I do want to say to you, I hope you enjoy your evening. I hope that you learn a lot about your student and meet these great teachers as you go through this evening. So have a great evening, and I hope to meet you as you come through Summerlin Academy.
One last piece of information that is very, very important that we're asking that you assist us with this evening. As you enter your child's first period classroom, we ask that you take a ballot that will be located at the door and assist us in approving our SAC board as well as our PTSA bylaws by completing that ballot. That is required, and we must have those completed this evening. We do have some late breaking news. Our PTSA board that Dr. Downing just mentioned will be selling umbrellas this evening over in the cafeteria area. So we do hope that you'll take advantage and get an umbrella representing the Home of Champions. We appreciate your help. We appreciate your being here tonight, and we hope you enjoy yourselves. Thank you.